Will I ever be successful? My body still looks like shit. Why she left me? Am I not good enough? No one will find me attractive. I'm sure these are the insecurities that every young man faces in his life. 3 scenarios होते हैं जिसमें your confidence goes down in the gutter and you start doubting yourself. Let me explain. When I was overweight, doing nothing productive, मुझे पता था मेरी लाइफ कहीं नहीं जा रही है. My confidence, my self-esteem was at all time low. Even when a girl smile at me and shows clear interest, मैं ये सोचता था कि मुझे तो नहीं देख रही होगी. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना लो था कि मैं ये बिलीव तक नहीं कर पा रहा था कि कोई लड़की मुझे में इंटरेस्ट हो भी सकती है. और अगर तुम्हें भी सेल्फ डाउट आते हैं अपने ऊपर तो दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन सिचुएशन. ये सेल्फ डाउट इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है यू आर डूइंग नथिंग. यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर योर माइंड, फॉर योर बॉडी. यू विल गेन कॉन्फिडेंस व्हेन यू मेक प्रोग्रेस. तुम अपने आप को इसलिए डाउट कर रहे हो कि तुम्हें पता है यू कैन डू सो मच बेटर देन दिस. तुम्हारी बॉडी और तुम्हारे माइंड को पता रहता है व्हेन यू आर बीइंग अ पुसी एंड डूइंग नथिंग गुड विद योर लाइफ. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एंड कीप डूइंग द थिंग्स दैट आर गुड फॉर यू, द थिंग्स दैट यू नीड, नॉट द थिंग्स दैट यू वांट, you will automatically take pride in yourself, pride in your body, pride in your mind. Like I'm a person who do hard work even when I don't feel like it. This is the first scenario. तुम अपनी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो और naturally self doubt आना बनता भी है. But the second scenario is you are doing everything in your power to improve yourself, but self-doubt comes after someone leaves you. Let me tell you my story. I improved myself, lost the weight, I became confident a little too much. आगे मूतने लगा था मैं. I had this girl, but when she left me, my whole world was shattered. My mind is filled with thoughts like, am I not good enough? Maybe it's because of my height. Maybe I am broke right now. That's why my confidence, how I see myself, my self-esteem was all gone to shit. I still doing all the things that I was doing previously, but मैंने अपनी self-image ऐसी बना ली थी that I am the worst human being that anyone can date. This happens when you base your whole life around a single person. You think you are handsome because she said that you're looking handsome. You think you are making progress in the gym because she said your body looks amazing. You only find yourself funny जब वो तुम्हारे jokes पर हंसती है. You ignore the whole world who admires you. तुम्हें बस validation उस single person से चाहिए रहती है. No one other than her matters to you. But this is a very flawed way of thinking. You are basically becoming dependent on her. If you work hard on your body, you still be jacked. If she says so or not, you have to understand this. She left you. She's not coming back to give you compliments. Find a new girl to jerk off your self-esteem. You can do that. This is one of the solution. But is it permanent? What happened when she also eventually left you? You will stuck in the shit again. The permanent solution is stop depending on others to validate you. मुझे पता है ये बहुत hard है. To not to hate yourself when someone you dearly love left you. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम दुनिया के सबसे worst person हो. You have to understand this simple fact. अगर उसे तुम्हें छोड़ना है, वो तुम्हें छोड़ ही देगी. It doesn't matter if you have looks of Chris Hemsworth, money of Elon Musk and confidence of Andrew Tate. उनने एक डिसीजन ले लिया है. It's on them. You have nothing to do with it. इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. सेल्फ लव का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम इम्प्रूव करना छोड़ दो. अगर तुम ओवरवेट हो तुम ओवरवेट ही रहो. ये कि मैं ओवरवेट हूँ मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है. I love how I am. ये बिल्कुल भी मतलब नहीं है. You need to keep improving. You need to keep making progress. You have to accept this fact. They are not here anymore to compliment you for your achievement. But it doesn't mean that your achievements are not here. But if you keep stacking up these undeniable proof, you are better than what your self-esteem or your self-doubt lead you to believe. Your self-doubts will automatically subside. Third scenario is you get self-doubt from your childhood. Let me make this very fucking clear. I am not an expert on this, but here's what I learned and some bro science version of it. जब तुम्हारे parents और close one तुम्हें support नहीं करते, they only support you when you achieve something. That make you believe that you are only good when you are achieving something, and failing something feels like you are losing a part of yourself. Your past really shape our worldview and how we view ourselves. But accepting what happened in our past happened, we cannot change it. तुम्हारी childhood में क्या हुआ है, how you get treated is affect your worldview for your whole life. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर तुम्हारे पास में कोई ट्रॉमा है तो अब तुम और लाइफ वैसे ही रहोगे. There are solutions for this. सबसे पहले accepting what happened. You cannot change your past. This is a very good start. और तुम्हें ये भी समझना होगा कि what happened in your past doesn't define you. If you achieve something and if you didn't achieve something, that doesn't change who you are internally. You will be the same person if you clear that exam or not. It doesn't change who you are. You have to improve yourself. You have to improve your mind because our past doesn't shape our future. Keep working. Get to work.